This is my cub from real distance without the zoom. You can see that's where she is. That's me, I'm right here. And there she is. I don't know, 10, 20, 30 yards. No way. Wait. What's the matter? You don't like the way I smell? Oh, you got an aggressive walk going on. Who's around? Oh! You just popping a squat? You just popping a squat. It's your place. I saw you tearing it up on that tree over there. Okay. Okay. Just keep going to the food and we're good. Just keep going to the food and we're good. Yeah. What does Michelle want to do this year with herself? Alright, you. I'm going to shut it down again.